Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pardon my voice, I really wanted to share this video with you guys. That's why I'm making this video like this. I lost my voice, okay? So today we are looking at Netherlands. Netherlands is looking for highly skilled migrants to move to Netherlands. But before you do that, for you to be able to move to Netherlands as a highly skilled worker, you need a residence permit, okay? And only an employer recognized by the IND can apply for permits for you. So we are going to be looking at the full details. I'll be showing you the employers that are currently recognized to sponsor foreign workers from overseas so that you can start applying for jobs. They offer sponsorship. They even help you plan your visa and everything. So if you're interested in moving to Netherlands, you can watch this video or share it with someone else. Netherlands is a very nice country. The interesting thing about it is that their visa process is easy. Under 3 weeks, you get your visa and you're moving overseas. So if you're interested, don't mind my voice, just watch the video, okay? So let's dive in. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe if you're new. It's been a long time. I'm forcing myself to make this video, as you can see. All right, so let's go there. So the one we are looking at today is this one. To work in Netherlands as a highly skilled migrant, you need a residence permit. Only an employer recognized by the IND can apply for your permit. So we are going to read about the requirements and look at the employers that can sponsor you. So you want to start with your nationality. I'll use Nigeria here. Do you already have a valid Dutch residence permit? No. Do you have a Dutch residence permit and did it expire less than 2 years ago? No. Then view your information. So it says that you meet the general requirements that apply to everyone. First of all, let's look at the general requirement here. If you're applying for a regular residence permit, such as a residence permit for work, study, exchange, or living with your partner, you have to meet the requirements associated with the residence permit you are applying for. So you need to have a valid passport or other travel document, no danger to public order or national security, which means you do not pose a danger to public order or national security. Everyone over the age of 12 must completely fill in an appendix antecedent certificate and then close it with the application. In this certificate, you indicate whether you have ever committed an offense or crime, okay? This is it here. You need tuberculosis test unless you're exempt. But it says you do not need to take a TB test in the following situations. You have the nationality of a country listed in the appendix here. You have already a valid residence permit in the Netherlands and you apply for a different residence permit. So other requirements okay, we're not looking at this. But yeah, these are the main requirements. A valid passport, you do not pose as a danger to the public, and you need a tuberculosis test. So let's go back. You have an employment contract with an employer or research institution in the Netherlands. This employer is a sponsor recognized by the IND. A recognized sponsor is listed in the public register of recognized sponsor, which is here. So I know that some of you will still come back to ask me that you couldn't find the list. This is the sponsors list here. Public register of recognized sponsors here. You meet the income requirements. Okay, let's look at the income requirements. So look at the visa type that you want to go for and check the income requirements. You are the sponsor for a short stay, Schengen visa or visa exempt period. Check it out. Application for a residence permit to stay with family member. Residence permit to stay with another family member. Application for a residence permit for study. Application, a person in Netherlands, finances, and study and stay of the student. So you just have to find your own. So application for a residence permit to work in a paid employment or seasonal work, which is the one we are looking at today, which can be either this or this. So it says 2,294 euros 40 cents per year. That's gross salary per month without holiday allowance. That is what your expected salary should be. You can check these ones out. So this one is okay. This is the highly skilled migrant. Okay, you can check the required amount here as well. All of them are here. So let's go back. The agreed salary is in line with the market rate. Are you going to work in individual healthcare, and do you practice medical profession that is listed in Article 3? So feel free to go through this whole list. My voice is not really there today to read everything. Okay, feel free to go through every single detail. For researchers, look at extra details for you. Okay, for medical doctors in training, look at extra details for you. You can check the process and cost as well, but that's not where we are interested in, because we need to get a job first before we start looking at the fees. So click on public register of recognized sponsors. Then you will see public register, regular labor and highly skilled migrant, which is the one we are going for. They also have public register, au pair and exchange, which we'll talk about in my next video. Public register, educational institutions, public register, scientific research directives. You can check them out. So let's see. So this is an overview. All these companies you're seeing on the list are sponsor. They are sponsors. Okay, this was updated on March the 5th, 2026. All these employers here are licensed to sponsor you. Advanced automated equipment, meeting company, 1 QBV, 100 grams, 10 times, 10x genomics, 12 build sales, 180 Amsterdam. So you can look at all of them. All you have to do is the way we do it. This one is clinical. Copy the name. This is their number. Copy the name, go to Google, search it, and to their career pages and apply for jobs. Okay, go to their career pages and apply for jobs. That's what you do. There are over 80,000 employers here that you can actually apply to right now. So feel free to visit each of these organizations, find out what they do. Even if you're in the computer, you can see all of them here. Visit them, their website. So, but the one I'm going to show you is this one called Coolblue.Netherlands, and they have vacancies right now. Relocation career. Coolblue is one of the biggest and most customer-friendly web shops of Netherlands and Belgium. We take care of your move from A to Z. Become developer at Coolblue, and we'll take care of your move from A to Z. Travel allowance. After you've signed your contract, they will book a one-way ticket for you, and they will receive you with a warm welcome in your new home. For visa, it says they also support with your flights to your home country as part of your relocation package, also for your partner and children if they move with you. Visa and work permit. If you send us all required documents, they will take care of the entire process for you. That's easy. They will help you find a new home, a relocation package for a flying start, for example, to pay the first month of rent or deposit for you. For a language course, we want to make integrating as easy as possible for you. That's why we offer you and your partner a Dutch course with your tax applications and return. If you're relocating with your children and pets, they will also help you. Guys, I can't read much. My voice is gone. So you can send your CV to them or send an email to them or check out their vacancies, right? They have vacancies right now that you can check. Look, this one comes with relocation possible, okay? Product owner, relocation possible. Database automation engineer, relocation possible. Product owner, data platforms, relocation possible. So check them out. If you can't find anything here, if you're into tech or or data and analytics, you can send them an email. And that's it. Please check them out and see what you can find. I can't say much today. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and start sending application to these employers. Start sending your CVs to them, reach out to them, and tell them that you want to move to Netherlands, and see what will happen. Reach out to them directly, or you go to their career pages and apply for jobs. All right. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Netherlands has other visa routes, but we're looking at this one today, which is the highly skilled migrant part. So if you're interested in other visa routes in Netherlands, if you're interested in moving to Netherlands, drop in the comment so I can make more videos about other routes that can help you move to Netherlands. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, comment, and like. I'll see you in the next one.